Guys, hello. This is Master Guy Lee, and as I promised, I'm back with FIFA 15 pack opening. As you can see here, I have gotten 2 gold pack recently from my tournaments and achievement. So I'm gonna quickly go through these two, and if I do get a good player, and if you guys support me with, I don't know, 20 likes, that's all I ask for. And then I'm gonna be back with another one. Who cares? So let's go with the first pack. Boom. Did it. I'm gonna not look. What did I get? I got absolutely shit. I actually got absolute shit. But I did need like these fitness cards and player contract, so I'm gonna take all. And with second pack and last pack, let's go. Boom. Oh come on, this is ridiculous. I know I didn't expect much, but this is just ridiculous. Well, I did get this squad fitness card. And these are decent players, not too good, but not too shabby. Let me just list that out. Wait. Oh shit. I have to sell it. I sell these, put these all in my cart. And I'm sorry it was a short video, but just to, tell you guys that I kept my promises and will be back with another kind of video like this. So for today it was Master Guy Lee. Bye for today. Leave a like if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe and help this channel grow bigger. Bye.